Going into Vicksburg.
We get early, we get a mid-morning start.
Mississippi River Bridge.
Rachel texted me yesterday and said, I sure could use some champagne and hair time. How you feel about packing my underwear? Socks.
When's she leaving? Look, no, it's not closed.
There's barge traffic right
Look
there.
how fast he's going.
Look, Daddy, there's a barge right there.
Look how fast.
You see? No. Here, under
Yeah,
the
I see
bridge.
it. God, he is hauling.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's one down there.
Falling cold. They can still get under the bridge.
Dad was saying the velocity of the river was 13 something miles an hour. Isn't that crazy?
How much?
13. In the fast zone right there.
There's a casino.
There's plenty of traffic.
That casino's still open.
Look, people at the visitor center. You never see people up there.
Every now and then you will.
Just crossed the Mississippi at Vicksburg.
Hello. Now, turn. Hello.
What did it picking up a ladder in a bucket? Oh, a ladder and a bucket, not a ladder.
Mississippi River downtown Vicksburg.
Well,
There's a casino.
it's all the same right now. I'm curious of how high it is behind that wall. Everybody's looking.
Road closed. Everybody's just going down it.
It says closed ahead. It doesn't say closed right here. I want to know how high the water is on the other side of that wall. Look, it's leaking. Look,
It is.
it's leaking through those doors.
It sure is.
There, see, it's peeing right there.
A little low
Look
spot.
at it squirting out right there.
Leaking through the wood.
They just shore that up a little bit. Need the little Dutch boy.
Drive some wedges in there.
Need the little Dutch boy to come stick his finger in the dike.
Pretty good bit of water coming through there.
They're pumping it back over. They're pumping it back over the.
Wow, that's crazy, isn't it? Look at all the rubberneckers.
Yeah, they showed that picture right there on the set.
Oh, Yazoo,
That's
Mississippi
NBC.
Valley.
Right there, that was it.
Oh my goodness, y'all, we're gonna be able to get a spot in Rusty's.
It'll be a while. We're here at 5. It'll be a while. Sitting at the bridge.
Yep, we can sure do that.
And you're not in the park here.
Uh-oh. Well, I was gonna go ride the other way,
That's fine.
if you're okay with a little more ride.
Window down. Get a bit.
That,
Window down.
CNN America.
CNN back there.
yeah, that building, that view was on MSNBC today.
There's a casino. It's a
Mississippi.
ferry boat.
It's kind of dry docked right now.
It's The railroad tracks down there underwater.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute now. What? Oh, for Chauncey Saw? Yeah, 2 5/8 is good. Yeah, that's right. 2 5/8 to 2 11/16. Y'all want to go up there and look?
Yeah, let's go look. Cairo and view. Barges all stacked up back there.
Curled around that.
Yeah.
Vicksburg Battlefield Interpretive Tour Routes. The mighty Mississippi Historic View.
Yeah, that's north.
Twins.
Where's your camera?
I guess so.